community. I'd love if everyone remembered that it's not just a season of giving, if we could support the Salvation Army year-round so that they can continue their efforts throughout the year.
I too would like to thank the CPKC for rolling through, and Weyburn residents and surrounding areas. We're getting close to meeting our goals again this Christmas, and it's all thanks to you guys.
Was in verse 2, but it didn't make sense till I found you.